Good evening, students. In our last video, we studied about legendarized polynomials. So today we'll study about Rodriguez formula. So before going to study that, so what is Rodriguez formula? As I already told, Rodriguez formula is given by Pn of x equals 1 by 2 power n into n factorial n times differentiation of x square minus 1 whole power n. So this is Rodriguez formula. So today we'll solve problems on Rodriguez formula. Use Rodriguez formula to show that P2 of cos theta equals 1 by 4, 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta. And second question, P3 of cos theta equals 1 by 8, 3 cos theta plus 5 cos 3 theta. So here there are two questions. Okay, in order to solve these types of problems, so already we know the formula for Rodriguez formula. So that is Pn of x. So how do you find P naught of x? So P naught of x is nothing but, so substitute n equals 0, you will get P naught of x, and P naught of x is 1, and P1 of x is x, and P2 of x is 1 by 2 times 3x square minus 1, and P3 of x is 1 by 2 times 5x cube minus 3x, and P4 of x equals 1 by 8 times 35x power 4 minus 30x square plus 3. So it is not necessary to learn all these formulas. If you learn only one formula, that is Pn of x, then it is easy to write all these formula, because when you substitute n equals 0, you will get this, n equals 1 this, n equals 2 this. So no need to learn all these things. Just learn what is Pn of x and you can do the differentiation. Okay, now we go for the problem. So what is the problem? P2 of cos theta equals, you have to show this RHS. So consider, so this is the question, P2 of cos theta equals 1 by 4 times 1 plus 3 cos theta. You have to prove the RHS. So, but what we have, we already know what is P2 of x. From Rodriguez formula, what is P2 of x? It is nothing but 1 by 2 times 3x square minus 1. So here what they are doing, substitute x by cos theta or replace x by cos theta. So here, this is by Rodriguez formula. So what I am doing, I am replacing x by cos theta. So it is nothing but P2 of cos theta equals 1 by 2, 3 times cos theta whole square, which is nothing but cos square theta minus 1. But what is cos square theta? By trigonometric formula, it is cos square theta is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So what I am doing, 1 by 2 as it is, 3 as it is. What is cos square theta? It is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 minus 1. Again 1 by 4. So this 2 will come outside. So 2 2s are 4. So it is nothing but 3. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 cos 2 theta, and LCM 2 is there, right? So 3 plus 3 cos 2 theta minus 2. So 2 into 1 is minus 2. And 1 by 4 as it is outside. What is 3 minus 2? Which is nothing but 1. 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta, which is nothing but which is the RHS which you have to prove. Hence we proved the first quantity. So what is the procedure? So first write all these formulas. So in question, so it is not necessary to write all these things. So directly you can go, we know that P2 of x. So this is for your information. So but for this question, you can directly go for P2 of x, because it is of the form P2 of cos theta. So directly write what is P2 of x and substitute x by cos theta, and then use trigonometric identity and then simplify the thing. You will get the RHS. Okay, now we move over the second question, which is this. Okay, the second question is, show that P3 of cos theta equals 1 by 8 times 3 cos theta plus 5 cos theta. Okay, straight away write the formula. What is P3 of x? No need to write all these P0, P1, P2, P3 and all. So just write what is required. So P3 of x is required. So P3 of x equals 1 by 2 times 5x cube minus 3x. And again replace x by cos theta. So P3 of cos theta equals 1 by 2 times 5 cos theta whole cube, which is nothing but cos cube theta minus 3 times cos theta. But what is the formula for cos cube theta? Cos cube theta can be written as 1 by 4 times cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. So these are some trigonometric identities which already studied. So if you don't know, refer some PDF or 12th standard textbook, you will get to know. So you have to substitute all these things, because if you just write cos cube theta, which is not matching RHS, so you have to prove the RHS. In order to prove the RHS, you have to make some small substitutions. So what is cos cube theta? So I am writing as it is, 1 by 2, 5 as it is. What is cos cube theta? Which is nothing but 1 by 4 times cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta, and last term minus 3 cos theta as it is. Again 4 2 is 8. Again taking LCM for 4 2 is 8, which is nothing but 5 cos 3 theta plus 5 3 is a 15 cos 3 theta. LCM 4 3 is a 12 cos theta. Again 1 by 8. 5 cos theta, 5 cos 3 theta as it is, 15 cos theta minus 12 cos theta. So 15 minus 12 is 3 cos theta, which is the RHS. You have to prove the same thing which you proved the RHS. Hence, we completed the problems on Rodriguez formula. Thank you.